Look at this beauty. Fold down headlights work, and that's what everybody's looking for right there. RT, guys, real numbers matching car. That chrome looks brand new. The paint is phenomenal. All the body lines are straight as can be. The paint job on this car is just beautiful. Look how these door lines up. All the lines here look good. And looky there, red line tires, baby. Look at that back gap on that door. Just beautiful. All the stainless is all highly polished, looks great. Vinyl top is beautiful. Charger, baby. One of the hottest cars on the market right now. Look at that door jamb. You want to know what it looked like back in 1968? Right there it is. Looks beautiful. That rubber's been replaced. The door panel looks good. The chrome on the armrest looks good. Now these are all things you need to be looking at when you're looking at a car to buy. Look up in there. Look at the attention to detail in there, guys. Brand spanking new. That steering wheel looks brand new. That center console looks brand new. Seat belts look great. The covers on the seats is beautiful. We got 3 seat belts in the back seat. Package tray looks good. Headliner looks perfect. Heck, even the dome lights work, and that is very unusual for a Mopar, guys. Now the shoulder belts are there. The dash pad looks good, and look at the chrome on that dash, and look at the lenses on the gauges. Look at the faces on the gauges. Everything about this car is off the hook. The gentleman that did the restoration on this thing was obviously a perfectionist, and he did this car to perfection. All this stainless looks good. Look at that gas fill. That thing looks brand spanking new. Of course, we got the tail stripe on it. All these lenses look good. This is all stuff you got to look at when you're looking at a 68 Charger. Tail panel's blacked out. We got great looking chrome on the back bumper. And oh yeah, that's where the music comes out right there. Those exhaust tips. Look at that trunk. You want to talk about brand spanking new? And the trunk floor, look at that. Paint job on the trunk floor looks just as good as the paint job on the hood. The wheel wells look good. The gutters here look good. The rubber's been replaced. Bottom side of the deck lid, all the lips here look good. The paint looks great. And when you look down the side of the car, look at that baby. You want to talk about straight as an arrow? This car is off the hook, guys, and it is amazing. This is a 1968 Charger. She's numbers matching. She's a 440. It don't get any better than this, guys. Call us today at 248-974-9513. Now, we're not consignment dealers, so it means we own this car. We buy about 40 cars a month, and I'm involved in buying every one of those cars. So what that means to you is you're getting my 35 plus years of experience buying hot rods, picking out your dream car. Let's take this baby for a ride. RT Charger, baby, 68, numbers matching, 440, rotisserie restored. You're gonna love it when Tommy parks this dream in your drive. This thing is sweet, guys. We got a lot of documentation on it. It's not gonna last long, so call Tom today at 248-974-9513. We can park this Charger in your driveway anywhere in the world. And if you need some help with financing, we got you handled there too. We've got 2-3 bankers we work with all the time. It takes about a 15-minute phone call, or you can go online at vanguardmotorsales.com and you can fill out that application online. But I'm telling you, this Charger will not be here long. Look down here on the dash. I mean, everything's working. It looks brand spanking new. All the gauges look great. The steering wheel looks new. The center console looks new. The shifter looks new. The whole car looks brand new. Now, if you'd like to come visit us, we'd love to have you out, because you know what? We're only 20 minutes from the airport. We'll even come down to the airport and pick you up, fly on in. If you want to drive in, we're here on Saturdays. Make it a road trip. We're here till 3 o'clock. Just call Tom, let him know you're coming. This thing is sweet, guys. It's not gonna be around long. Like I said, this may be one of the nicest 68 Chargers in the country. Numbers matching, 440. We're gonna get it up on the lift now so you can check out the bottom side. Nobody else in the industry does that. We're gonna take a look at the motor. We're gonna look at the trunk floor. We'll show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision. Now here's the shop. Stick with us because we're gonna put this baby up in the air for you right now. Let's go. All right, we're underneath this beauty now, and as you can see, it looks all factory original under here and brand new. The tank is brand new, the exhaust is brand new, all the primer work, all the overspray on the red, the drop downs, everything is phenomenal. Now we've got the 742 case, 323 gear. It is sure grip. You can see the brake lines are brand new, the exhaust is brand new, the frame looks brand new, the fuel lines look brand new, the parking brake cable looks brand new. Still got all the paper tags here. The floorboards are phenomenal. Look at this. I mean, it's like we went back in history and took a look at a car just as it come off the assembly line. It is just beautiful under here. All brand new hardware here holding down the seats. All the plugs are brand new. Now, the transmission is a 69 model. It is not numbers matching, but it is a correct trans for this car. The brake lines up here look good. It does have disc brakes up front. That's all correct. And again, they all look brand spanking new. Now on the drum brakes on the back, the guys will pull it all apart and take a look at those. Make sure they're still in good working order. All the bushings look good. Of course, all the ball joints look great. All the paint work under here is phenomenal. All the hose clamps look correct. The those are the cooler lines for the trans. They look like they're brand new. Paintwork even on the front valance here, right down to the bottom edge of the core support is beautiful. Now let's look at the wheels and tires. All right, the wheels are in beautiful shape. Now these do not look like they're brand new. These look like they're the original wheels in beautiful shape. We got red line BFGs and we got 225/70 14s up front. And take a look at that paintwork right down to the bottom edge. Bottom side of that rocker's beautiful. Bottom edge of this front fender, everything on the back side's nice and smooth. Just an amazing build, guys. Let's check the rear. All right, out back, again, the wheel is in beautiful shape. It does look original to the car. And it looks like we have 225/70 14s back here too. The lip moldings look good. The lips here feel good where the inner wheelhouse goes to the quarter. That bottom edge looks good. And of course, you guys know on the Mopars, you got to look at this cross member here. And of course, this trunk floor, it's beautiful. Let's get under the hood. And this is where the magic's happening under here, guys. This is the numbers matching 440 that came in this car originally. She's got the correct Carter carburetor sitting on top for an automatic transmission. You can see they got all the correct hoses, the correct spark plug wires, the correct alternator, the correct radiator, the correct clamps. Everything about the plumbing looks original, the wiring looks original. It is a power brake, it is a power steering car. They got a Mopar top on the battery. The inner wheelhouses are nicely painted. The firewall's nicely painted. I mean, everything about this car is over the hook. This is definitely nicer than it was originally from the factory. She's a real find. She's a 68 Charger. It's a real RT. It's got its numbers matching 440 under the hood. You saw me out driving it. It's a blast. It runs like a rape tape. You're gonna love it. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.